Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies. Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you hair straightening at home, how to get straight hair yet with very simple ingredients. So we can prepare a remedy to straighten your hair. It's a cream to prepare it at home and it's super effective yet with very simple ingredients. The first thing we'll need in a clean mixing bowl, add around 3 teaspoons of rice, like that. And we need to cook the rice, like overcook the rice and cook it really hard, like that my friends. It's overcooked. So now we'll need to add on it the rest of the ingredients. We'll need to add on it 1 teaspoon of Johnson baby oil, and then my friends will need to add on it around 1 teaspoon of butter, and here I have the 1 teaspoon of butter, and now we'll need to place all the ingredients into a food processor or a grinder to grind it to a very fine cream. You will find it turn to a cream paste. Once it's turned to a cream paste like that, our hair straightening cream is ready. Apply it on your hair and comb the hair like with a comb and just leave it straight, and then after it dries out, wash your hair like you normally do. This hair straightening cream doesn't have any chemicals or any kind of bad things, yet it works like magic. It will get your hair straightening without damage, without anything. Opposite that, it will nourish your hair. Try to use a natural butter or ghee butter. This will get your hair super nourished and super shiny. Baby oil will get your hair a natural shine and straight the hair without any damage. It's oppositely, it's actually repairing the hair damage and remove the split ends of the hair. You will get an amazing results with that remedy from the first use. Before you wash your hair, every time apply that hair straightening cream and wash your hair. Your hair will be straightening and you will control this kind of hair flying and this kind of baby hair, and you will get an amazing straight hair without damage, with all natural ingredients at home. So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those, that will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.